Hi guys, another random thing off Thingiverse. Still trying to use up my yellow filament. Can you spot a problem? Yeah, I was having real trouble with the yellow filament this time. It just wouldn't print anything. Managed to get that one done, the spring, although I think it's a bit weak. I think it's weak anyway, but I think it's particularly weak because the yellow filament has played up a bit, certainly on the inner coils. And then absolutely nothing else would print for me. I had no end of trouble. Each of these took several attempts, and as you can see, I ended up using my orange filament just to get the job done because I was getting a little bit frustrated. Anyway, what we're looking at here is a channel going by the name of It's On My Mind on Thingiverse. They're doing a series of mechanical movements. This is actually number 288 in their series. That's the Thingiverse number if you want to go direct to it, 6839109. I haven't fully assembled it yet. I've put it together just to check that the bits fit together, but I haven't cleaned it up at all, and I think I might need to clean this one a little bit because when I put it together it was glitching on here, although I'm looking at here and I can see this one isn't perfect. That tooth, can we focus on that please? Yeah, that tooth there's gone funny. It's lifted up a bit. Oh, I really thought that one had printed okay, but we've got an iffy tooth. We might be all right, or it might cause a problem. Anyway, this bit is the, is it the ratchet? I can't remember which bit's which. It will turn one way and not the other. Obviously this back plate is designed so you can screw it on the wall. That bit, yes, that bit fits on there. That's okay. This bit has got a flat sides to it, so it grips the detent underneath, or ratchet. So, wait a minute. I think, now how does this work? Because if that goes on there, oh yeah, it might go through. There's a few bits I need to clean up in there. I'll clean that up first. Then that's going to go on there. That's going to slide across it to stop it falling off. This one, which way round does it go? That way, yeah. That sits on there. And as that goes around, yeah, it was just glitching on there, and I don't think it should. We'll find out in a minute when we put it together. And I'm supposed to put some marbles in there. I thought I had some marbles. I haven't. So I'll probably just put a lump of weight on there just to get it going. Right, I'll clean that up on the inside where there's a few bits, because there was a support layer went up the middle there. So I'll clean that up and we'll see if it can get it together. There's a little peg there that goes into that little slot just there. I don't know if we need to pre-tension this at all, or that's in there. That should go all the way down onto there. Yeah, that's gone down. That's going to sit over there. If it can do it without breaking. Whoa. Oh, it did. So that winds up with the ratchet on the back, stopping it going backwards. That was all right. So let's put tension on there. Oh, because we should have put this on. Oh. Oh. Right, that's on there. Then this should hang. Oh, we need some weight as well. Right, I'll put some weight on there and I'll go wide angle on the camera so we can see if anything happens. Oh, wait a minute. That's broken, isn't it? Oh, rude words. Oh, well, we didn't get very far there, did we? Best thing I can do is put a pin up through the middle there to stiffen that up. And then we'll be okay. Right, I'll drill a hole up there, put a little bit of wire up through the middle, and that'll hold it in place. To be honest, it's just occurred to me, there is a hole up through the middle there. It's quite possible, if I'd have read the instructions, you might have had to put maybe a piece of filament down through there to strengthen it. But I'll stick a bit of wire down there. Right, I've rigged it up so it can swing freely. Can I wind it up? So say, I think I may need to adjust some of those teeth a little bit. Well, we know some of them are poor anyway. Yeah, I reckon that needs a little bit of filing off it. So it's not perfect. I could take a file to that. It looks like it needs to be, yeah. I'll file that down a tiny bit. Well, better, but not perfect. But bearing in mind how much trouble I had printing it anyway, I'm just happy it's working at all. Because it might be the weight's too much. Yeah, I think we can call that a worker. Yeah, there's a few teeth that need wearing in. So say, considering how long I've spent printing this with the problems with the filament, It's actually twisted a little bit, which is probably because I haven't got that pin straight going through the hole in the middle. So I bet if I read the instructions, you were supposed to put some filament down there to strengthen it. Why else have a hole down the middle? Yeah, I'm happy. We'll call that a worker. Links in the video description to the original Thingiverse build. Yeah, and I'll have to sort out my printer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.